Hi, welcome back. This is Ian from BlogInABox, and now we're going to have a look at how we add an image into our blog post. So just like before, we click on Posts, we go to Add New, and let's call this post Adding an Image into our blog. Okay, so now we click back again into the text area, and then what we want to do is we want to locate the image that we want to add into our blog. So if you click on Upload, Insert or Add Media, this might look a little different depending on the skin that you're using or the theme that you're using. So if you click here, then it should give you a few options of where you can get your image from. So you can get it from your media library, which is just a list of images that you've built up over time in your WordPress. You can get it directly from a URL, so from another website. Let's have a quick look at that. So you type in the URL, there you type in the title. The URL is a web page address, for want of a better explanation. But to keep it simple for this demonstration, we're just going to get existing media or existing images from our computer. So I'll click on Select Files here. And then this will look familiar to you, so you can just have a quick search on your PC, go to My Pictures or wherever it is you've got your image stored. I'm just going to grab a quick random image. So there's one here called Secondary Tile. So you locate your image, highlight it, click on Open, then this will be imported into WordPress, and then you can see here the image appears. So this is what Secondary Tile looks like. And then you scroll down. There's a few other bits and pieces you can add in, but let's just keep this really simple. The thing to note is called alignment. So this is where your image will show up. So you can either have it, no alignment, have it to the left, in the middle, or to the right. I'm just going to leave it on the left, and I'm going to click Insert into Post. And what that'll do is, as you can see, it puts in the image just there. So now I can start writing my blog. So I'll get my cursor, I'll put it over this side, just click once so I know I'm in the right place, and I'll start typing my blog. Okay, then I want to move my cursor down here so you can see it's flashing next to the image, and I want to do the next line. So if I do space, backspace return, it'll start a new line. So if I do line, new line goes here, and again line here, whatever you want to type. Now last line here, and then you'll notice as you get to the end of the image it will wrap around automatically. So when I hit return, it will start typing here at the bottom of the image, and then you're pretty much good to go. If you wanted to type in text above the image, what you can do is use your cursor, keep going all the way back to the top, all the way back to the top, hit the left cursor and the up arrow and make sure that you're right at the top, and you can type in top line, or whatever you wanted to write. At this point in time, you then just hit return, and it sends the image down one, and leaves all your typing where it is. So let's hit publish and have a look what that looks like. So hit publish, that should be on the website now. So let's go back to bloginabox.net, hit refresh to refresh the page, and then you can see our blog posted. So adding an image to our website, we've got the top line, we've got text here, and it wraps around nicely for us, and here as well. Images can be quite tricky, but once you know where to position your cursor, it gets quite simple. So just have a little play around with it, and get used to it.